My precious child, just stop for a moment. Let's quiet the noise outside and the noise inside. You might not fully know me, but I know everything about you. I know when you sit down and when you get up. I am familiar with all your ways. I've even counted every hair on your head. It's no accident you're hearing this. This isn't just another day, it's a divine appointment. I want to speak directly to your heart, so please listen closely. Do you feel like no one sees the tears you cry in private? Do you think anyone truly understands the depth of your sorrow? Or those moments when doubt has shaken your faith to its core? I do. I have seen it all. I've been with you on the nights you felt completely alone. I've witnessed the battles you fought in silence, and I've heard the prayers you whispered with a broken heart, wondering if anyone was listening. I was there. I was carrying you, holding you close, even when you couldn't feel me. My child, I know the weight you're carrying. I have seen the burdens that press on your soul, making every step feel heavier than the last. I know about the chapters of your story you've hidden from the world, the ones filled with pain, betrayal, and disappointment. You've faced storms that threatened to snuff out your light, and walked through fires you thought would consume you. You've been through seasons of silence, where your cries for help just seemed to echo back into an empty void. You've known the sting of loss, the ache of loneliness, and the frustration of dreams turning to dust. I've seen your ways, the moments you stumbled and fell, and the times you felt lost with no clear path forward. I've watched your struggle to get back up, even when you had no strength left. And I know you've wondered, where is God in all of this? You've questioned my plan and my promises when your reality screamed the opposite. The enemy has whispered lies to you that you're forgotten, that your pain is a punishment, and that this struggle will be your end. He's tried to convince you that you aren't worthy of love, peace, or a better life. I have seen you put on a brave face for the world while you were falling apart inside. I have counted every single tear you've cried, not one has gone unnoticed. I have felt your anguish when you looked at your life and thought, is this all there is? I know that weariness that has settled deep in your bones, a spiritual exhaustion that feels endless. But don't despise this struggle, my child. Don't wish it all away. There is a purpose in your pain that you might not see yet. That fire didn't destroy you, it was preparing you. So listen to me now. Let my truth wash over all those lies. You are not a mistake. You are not an accident. Before I ever formed you in the womb, I knew you. I chose you when I planned creation. You are fearfully and wonderfully made, knit together by my own hands. You are my beloved child, and I am so pleased with you. And my pleasure isn't based on what you do or accomplish. You don't have to work to earn my love. You already have all of it. Your worth is not defined by your failures, your wounds, or the opinions of others. It is defined by my truth, and my truth says you are chosen, redeemed, and cherished. You are an heir to everything pure, lovely, and good. Those scars you carry, I don't turn away from them. I see them as a testimony of the battles you have survived, and I will turn those scars into beauty, and your story of pain into a testament of my grace. When the world calls you unworthy, I call you my treasured possession. When you feel weak, I declare that you are strong in me. When you feel like a wounded soldier, I see a victorious child of the King. Don't let the voices of your past deceive you. That depression trying to gnaw at your mind is being destroyed. I am your defender, and anyone who comes against you comes against me. I did not make a mistake when I chose you. You are precious in my sight. Your identity is secure in my love, a love that is unconditional, unchanging, and everlasting. And now, my cherished child, lift your head. A new season is upon you. The season of your struggle is ending, because a time of great restoration is here. The spiritual atmosphere around you is shifting. The dawn is breaking on your long night of weeping. I am drawing a line in the sand. The attack that tried to destroy you has failed. What the enemy meant for evil, I am turning around for your good. I am the God of restoration. I will restore to you the years that the locusts have eaten, the time you thought was wasted, the opportunities you believed were lost, the joy you were sure was gone forever. I am bringing it all back to you, not as it was, but in even greater abundance. Where there has been scarcity, I will bring prosperity. Where there has been mourning, I will give you the oil of joy. Where there has been a spirit of heaviness, I will clothe you with a garment of praise. Behold, I am doing a new thing. Now it springs forth. Do you not perceive it? I am making a way in the wilderness and rivers in the desert. Doors that were sealed shut will swing open before you. I will bring health to you and heal your wounds. I will reveal to you an abundance of peace and security. Broken relationships will be mended. Stolen peace will be returned. Dreams that died will be resurrected. You are stepping into a season of stability, where you won't have to live in constant battle mode, but will learn to live in my rest. The blessings I have planned for you are already on their way, and nothing can block them. This is your divine turning point. Your story is shifting from battle to testimony, from pain to praise. Therefore, rise up and walk forward in faith. Let go of the pain of yesterday. Do not be anxious about anything, but in every situation turn to me. Surrender your worries, your fears, and your need to control everything. Trust in me. Trust in my timing. Faith is not about understanding every step. It's about trusting the one who has already written your beautiful story. Do not be afraid, for I am with you. Do not be dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you and help you. I will uphold you with my righteous right hand. When you pass through the waters, I will be with you, and through the rivers they shall not overwhelm you. When you walk through the fire, you will not be burned. My grace is sufficient for you, and my power is made perfect in your weakness. My beloved child, let these words settle deep within your spirit. These are not just words on a screen. They are life, hope, and truth spoken directly to you. My love for you is eternal, and my promises are true. Hold them close to your heart. If this message has touched you, affirm your faith by typing Amen in the comments below. By doing so, you declare your belief in this new season. Share this video with someone who needs to be reminded of their worth and the hope that awaits them. Subscribe for more daily messages so that your heart can be continually encouraged by my love. Go forth from this moment not as you were, but as you are truly meant to be, a cherished, restored, and victorious child of the Most High God. The old has passed away, all things have become new. Your future is secure, and it is more glorious than you can ever imagine. Walk in peace, live in hope, and be surrounded by my unending love. I am with you always, until the very end of the age. You are loved, you are safe, you are mine.